Now we're checking out some of these boats along as we're cruising down Sydney Harbour, and just above us, oh, he's playing the saxophone there. Hey, you hear him playing the saxophone? Down here on this one? See, please. Yeah, there it is. There it is. Woohoo! There it is. Look at the opera house. Yeah. Yes.
Look at the opera house, Mom. We are.
That's the opera house. Vivid lights.
It's beautiful. Good job.
And just above us is the Sydney Harbour Bridge. So along there is Luna Park. It's so beautiful. Yeah. Oh, look at these guys having a good party over next to us.
Do you Look, there's going to be fireworks, right?
Cheers to yeah! That's right! I'm just going to get the background. Oh, what am I missing?